Our company was started in the late 80s, and we've been in business now for over 30 years. We're involved in industrial manufacturing. We are a diverse job shop on Long Island. We do everything from aircraft, microwave, dental, medical, and large defense projects. Specifically what we use Mazak for on our shop, it's designed into two different departments. We have a milling department and a turning department. Our milling department is doing most microwave and defense components. Our lathe department does a lot of X-ray components. All of our customers nowadays require more and more of a higher level of quality. Basically, zero defects is what everybody is striving for. And Mazak's machines have given us the ability to repeat our process from part 1 to part 1,000 or 10,000 to ensure that our quality is there every time. 27 years ago, we acquired our first Mazak machine. And since then, we've continually purchased machines for them over the course of those 27 years. From basic machines up to our recent Palatech acquisition. Reliability on Mazaks is the key to what we depend on nowadays. Everything has to be up all the time. If we lose days or weeks because of downtime, we're behind schedule. We need to have something that starts every morning, that runs every day, in and out, 24 hours a day. It's the key. Our newest Mazak that we acquired was a Palatech horizontal, and we acquired that machine to give us the capacity to run lights out. That gives us the opportunity to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The key to that machine and us acquiring it from Mazak was the reliability factor. As we've grown with Mazak, we've seen and continually seen the effort that they put into making a capital piece of equipment that will run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for years on end. And we're very happy with that. And it gives us a great opportunity to compete in markets that we weren't able to compete in. One of our latest acquisitions also was a 700E vertical milling machine by Mazak. This increased our overall capacity for machining large components. Most of our other Mazaks have beds of 20 by 40. This increased our bed capacity by 30 to 80, which gave us a better opportunity to go for larger diameter parts in certain aircraft industries. Our company has been in business for almost 30 years, and it'll probably be around for the next 30 more. We continually try to evolve with the industry by buying new equipment, and Mazak is there. Mazak is on the leading edge of technology, and we're going to continue to work with them to do the next level of manufacturing. You have to be competitive, and Mazak gives this opportunity day in and day out with their constantly improving in new technologies, customer support, service. They don't just sell you the machine and disappear in 3 months. Mazak's there for the last 28, 29 years of my business and stood behind me every time. Every time we've had a machine come on this floor, Mazak's been there to make sure that they give us what we need to support our business.